Hey Carp Geeks, quick update for you on all things Impulse. It's June 6th, 2021. Okay, some good news and some bad news. Well, mostly good news, right? So the unfortunate bad news is that I'm unable now to send via Whacker Baits in the US our retail product to the UK because of some kind of import issues. Okay, but that's only a minor setback because guess what? This is going to be available in UK shops within a month or so. So how does that work? Well, very simply, just finalizing some contracts and some distribution contracts with folks in the UK so we can get this in the tackle shop soon. Okay. Now, that's the product you'll be able to buy. Where does it come from? Well, we send either cases of this to tackle shops, or if it's a bait manufacturer, we may send them 4-liter/gallons of Impulse liquid, which gets directly put into bottles like this. So I think it's like 16 bottles or something. And sometimes you can't send liquids through the mail, so we send sometimes the powdered versions. This is pure Impulse powder. You make it up to the mark with water, essentially shake it, and it makes this one. Okay, so these are kind of commercial products for manufacturers. This is the only retail product. Okay. Also, manufacturers can also buy the Impulse powder by the kilo, which allows them to put it into their own baits. So if you see the little kind of logo, the Impulse logo on a bag of boilies or pellets or something, it means, Impulse at the right level is in those products, okay? And it has the fish catching stimulatory effect of Impulse. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. See you guys next time.